you here at the 7th Annual Winsboro Classic Car Show here in downtown Winsboro 2011. Would love to see you here for the 2012 show. For more information, go to WinsboroClassicCarshow.com. Sponsored by the Winsboro Rotary Club. This is a fantastic show. We've got about 100 cars here today. Would love to see you here next year at the 2012 show. So for more information, go to WinsboroClassicCarshow.com. Compliments of Cruising Style magazine.
Corvette as a featured car. If you're the wife of one of the Corvette owners, I've got 3 total.
That lady that just comes out, that's in my
How's everything?
2011 Winsboro Car Show, Labor Day weekend, September 3rd. Winsboro, Texas at the historic train depot.
This is an open car show that involves street rods, muscle cars, classic cars, sports cars, rat rods, trucks, and many other vehicles.
Later on, the one that has the most votes for People's Choice will be the winner of the People's Choice Award today.
The feature vehicle for the 2011 show was the Corvette. The feature vehicle for the 2012 show will be the Mustang.
Ranch has got some pretty cool stuff down there. We got 'We'll count the votes around lunch or a little after and figure out who's the People's Choice Award today. So, all's fair. Come up and put your name or your favorite car in the People's Choice Award.
The 2011 Winsboro High School seniors had a big part in this car show, selling tickets, manning booths, and other activities. The scholarship fund is actually for them and other annual Rotary Club projects.
So the judges are making their ways around the car show today. We want to thank those guys from Hatfield Restorations over in Canton, Texas for helping us out again this year. Heard for People's Choice and Kids' Choice.
As you could see, it was a windy but beautiful day for Labor Day weekend. The DJ belted out the old-time rock and roll. You could even get $1 hot dogs from the fundraisers, go right across the street for barbecue or other restaurants, and do shopping in downtown Winsboro. Art shows and other stores were open while the show was going on.
Classic Car Show. great opportunity for you to come to the gun show. We have a gun show and outdoor show.
Bring your old car, new car, classic, whatever vehicle to Winsboro, Texas, Labor Day weekend.